Hi guys, Dr. Ann Lay here. I am a special education consultant and I've previously worked at multiple school districts, and one of the areas that I'm very passionate about is restorative practices to address misbehavior, to address discipline, just to address the mental health and social emotional learning of students and adults in general. And so the movement for restorative practices is a relational one, and it's grounded in the healing and repairing harm process and building and strengthening relationships among the community. And within the school system, the community is the school. It's the classroom. It's the dynamic of the grade level. It can be narrow and it can be broad. Previous versions of my toolkit went by the name of Let's Try It. It was adapted by Rachel Brisbane's traveling language toolbox. And so the items that I've selected addresses a lot of the sensory, calming, and also play-based approaches. And so just know that the items that I've selected here and what you're going to see is very default. It's based on my experience, and each school, each classroom, each student population is going to be different. And so customize it to how it will be most effective for your classroom and school needs. So let's take a look. So again, like I said, this is a revamped version. I'm very excited about it. I've decided to rename it. I tried to do a play of words with the RP for restorative practices. I'm not that creative. It might appear that I am, but I tried thinking of names with R and P, so I've settled on Reset Please. I feel like that is a very good summarization of what we are driving the goal to be, and it's to reset an escalated individual. And so let's take a look at what is inside, okay? All right, I'm gonna get this closer so you can see. It's the Restorative RP Toolkit for regulation. All right, I thought the kittens were cute. I'm not a cat person, but they are cute. All right, so it is heavy. I plan on making a modified version of it for administrators, I guess, for more of a to-go. This is more of sitting in the classroom and sitting in an office to be able to work through, but every situation is going to be different, and so let's modify to how we need individualization. All right, open. So when you open it, voila, look at the pretty colors. The pretty colors, the assortment of colors is meant to draw in the attention of both students and adults. And so I am very OCD about labels, and I love things to be organized. And so, all right, so let's see what's in. So each toolkit comes with handout. It gives you the contents. And again, you modify it based on what your needs are. And on the back, we have our implementation process. And then just a little copy of the template to use with the scented toolbox. And this is the full page of templates that you can photocopy and cut out, and then instructions on how to use. So these will come with the toolbox. And then so let's take a look.
The Reset Please or RP Toolkit's focus is to support educators and parents in working with children who might be experiencing challenges in regulating their emotions, are highly agitated, in shutdown mode, or need help to get to a point where they are ready to start addressing the problems. Reset Please boxes go beyond the conventional calming kits for educators by focusing on de-escalation by inquiry while applying models of play therapy, whole child, and educational best practices. When we can pique a child's curiosity, they can shift their attention from being upset to wanting to discover more regarding what comes next.